Hello everyone, welcome back to University Study Guide YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the recent notification from University of Madras regarding the PhD admission for the year 2021. In this video we are going to discuss all the aspects of this notification. Here we are going to discuss all the important dates, eligibility, procedure, examination, entrance examination, fellowship, everything we are going to cover in this video. So this will be a complete guide for your PhD admission if you are interested to take the admission in the University of Madras. So before this, if you are new to this channel, then please press the subscribe button and also please press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications regarding different PhD admissions and UG and PG admissions in different universities in India and abroad. So let's get started. The official notification page. Here is the official website of this University of Madras. If you just come to the below side, the right hand side, you can see the research, the notifications regarding the online PhD applications for admission. So we'll click on this and check all the details. So there is a dedicated page for this PhD admission, that is the July session 2021. So once you click on this, we'll check all the details of this notification. So let us click here, this one. So let us see what are the subjects. So once you click on this research programs, you will check the subject. So let's zoom it a little bit so that it will be clearly visible to you. So there you can see the different departments and subjects are available. You can check the ancient history and archaeology, different topics of the research program, that is the PhD program, is available. So there are about 74 programs, 74 departments. So the PhD program will be available. So the PhD program will be for full-time and part-time both. So we'll check this for a while. In this video only we are going to check this. Here you can check the research programs in the affiliated colleges. There you can check the affiliated colleges. You need to also check the full-time and part-time program which is available and which is not available in the respective college. Like this, in the AMGN college, the PhD part-time program is not available. Okay. So there you can check the physics, economics, chemistry, both full-time and part-time, but here only the part-time program. For any other subject it is not available. So like this you can check the subjects in the respective institution. Alright, there you can check the different colleges that are available. If you want to check this, you can pause the video and check this, or else I'll put this link in the description so that you can go and visit it. Okay, so this is all about the programs and the affiliated college. So let us see the PhD circular. Here is the PhD circular. It is nothing like a notification. It is the admission of PhD program for the July session. Submission of application form through online in the university website only. So this notification that has come out from the registrar regarding the PhD notification, and this is the official notification for all the departments and HODs of the Universities Madras and the respective colleges. Okay, so here one important thing you need to notice. So the form, that is the admission to the PhD program July 2021 session, will be open in the university website, that is unom.ac.in, and it will be available from 6th July to 5th August. So this is the important date you need to check, that is the 5th August you need to it will be the last date. So candidates who desire to get admission to the July session are directed to submit the application form through the online only in the university website. Okay, so this will be the last date. So there is also an important thing. So hard copy will be submitted to the respective university departments before 5th August. So you need to check this 5th August here and 5th August here. You need to send the hard copy as well, along with hard copy of the online form. Okay, this is the important dates. So let us see what is the revised PhD regulation. So this is the revised PhD regulation. It is basically the details of this PhD notification. Let us see the details. So there are basically 3 chapters of this notification. So chapter 1 will be the regulations relating to admissions, conduct and of PhD program, evaluation of thesis, award like this. Regulation chapter 2 will be regulations to the admission, evaluation, thesis and award of the postdoctoral degrees. And chapter 3 will be regulations regarding eligibility of research supervisor, that is PhD, and recognition of research departments in institutions. So like this you can check the details. So we'll check what will be the minimum education qualifications. So admission for the PhD program will be like this. Okay, so you need to have a master's degree at least. Alright, so let us see what are the other details available here. What are the other important things? These are the things you can study and you can check. So there will be a relaxation of marks 5% from 55% to 50%, that is for general category, and 5% for the reserve category, that is for SC, ST, differently abled persons. So what will be the criteria? That is, university offers 2 modes of PhD. We have already discussed. There will be a full-time and part-time program, as you can see. So let us see what are the eligibility for full-time program. So full-time program will be same as 2.1 and 2.2. That is 2.1 like this. So these are the eligibility. You must have at least a master's degree or any degree which is equivalent to masters. So like this you can check. And along with that, in addition, research fellows, research assistant, technical assistants, project fellows, project assistant, technical officers in the extension of department approved by the university, appointed in the research projects funded by the recognized agencies, governments, are also eligible to register as a PhD on the full-time basis. On the same time, the same department, provided they satisfy the eligibility criteria stated in the regulations 2.1 above. So if you have already working as a research assistant, technical assistant, project fellows like this, so you can directly apply for the PhD program. Okay, for the part-time, the candidates possessing educational qualification as stated in the paragraph 2.1, 2.2, whose place of work is within the jurisdiction of the university, falling under any of the following categories. So a regular permanent teacher working in the department of university is also applicable for the part-time program. And a regular higher secondary schools assistant, PG assistant in the higher secondary schools is also eligible. Full-time guest lectures, non-teacher candidates for 4 years after the qualifying the degree in a regular employee as a register firm or institution satisfying the rules framed separately by the syndicates from time to time. So these are some of the details you can check. So what will be the procedure for the admission? Let us see. The admission shall be based on the criteria notified in the set of regulations, taking into the account of reservation policy in the state government time to time. Okay, so there you can check the other details as well. So this video will be little longer, so please watch the video till the end so that you will get all the notification in detail. So there is a selection procedure. So 50% marks shall be from the qualifying exam, and there will be also an interview program. Alright, so let us see what are the details. Here it is written an interview program. Alright, so I'm skipping this. Let us see what is the other important notification here. So let us see this one also. So this is the format for interdisciplinary research proposal. So there will be the format given in this website only. There you can check all the details you need to apply for this PhD program. Okay, you can check the details here. Okay, so there will be another form like this. Once you click on apply, so there you can check the details. Like candidates have to upload the photograph and signature in the JPG format and the image quality of 200 pixel. Okay, so there you can check all the details. So basically we have already discussed about this, so this is only an extension. Alright, so there will be an application fee for this. You need to check that. So in this video, there is, in this page only, there is a summary of this entire notification. So you can check this and click on this and then proceed. So you will be forwarded to the online application form. Alright, so there some general instructions as are given. That is the demand draft of 1000 in favor of the register University of Madras you need to send. Okay, so this is the important thing I need to tell you. These are the instructions. So once you candidates PhD registration, that is once you click on the registration, the form, so you will go to this page. But before that, once you click on this page, okay, you will go to this page and here click new registration. Once you click on new registration, then you can date of birth, gender, mobile number, email ID, mode, okay, full time or part time. So you can check all the details. Year of passing, PG marks, everything you need to fill and get the OTP in the official mobile number. And after that you can go back to this page and log in. Alright, so this is all about the PhD admission notification from University of Madras. If you like this video, then please press the like button. It encourages us. So we are setting the target of the like of 30 in this video. So please reach that target, and also visit our Telegram channel so that you will get all the latest notifications regarding our future video and different universities and educational news, and also follow our social media handle. So with this, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So thank you for watching this video. See you in another video soon.